Language barriers can make communications challenging, but artificial intelligence is helping bridging the gap. With Azure AI Translator, we can easily translate text and speech between multiple languages, enabling seamless global communication. In this demo, we'll explore Azure AI Translator in action using the Azure portal. Whether integrating into a website, a mobile app, or a business workflow, this service provides accurate and scalable translation services. So let's dive in and see how AI powered translation works. Okay, to use the translator service, we can do that by creating a translator resource in Azure portal. So after successfully logged in to the Azure portal, we're gonna click on the create a resource. And from there, we're gonna search for translator, the first one. It is the one here. If you are not seeing it, you can just check the box here and it will show up. Gonna create. Now we're gonna select the subscription and the resource group. Gonna select the region, East US, name 900. And I'm gonna select standard S1. Gonna select next, and then we're gonna select all networks, including the internet, can access this resource. And identity, again, we're selecting the system assigned managed identity. If you have a user assigned, feel free to use that. No tags, review and create. And let's create it. Now it's submitting deployment. Deployment in progress. This is going to take a few seconds to complete. Perfect. It's only took like 3 seconds. I'm going to click on go to resource here. And as you see under the overview, try now. This is we basically is going to detect the language and it's going to translate it here. If you have an application, you can use it C#, Go, Java, Node.js, or Python. And this is for monitoring as well. Now under try it, let's put in anything like hi, it detected this is an English language and translated to Spanish. Let's do the AI training. It translated the welcome to the AI-900 training to this in Spanish. If we look at the JSON response here, we see the detected language was English, score of 1, translation, that was the text, and this is to Spanish. You can play with it, for example, AI fundamentals here, same thing happens. The simple code, again, this is used to, if you want to connect your translation services to your application, and you can do that actually from here. Go to the keys and endpoint, and you're gonna see the web APIs that you're gonna integrate with your web application. These are the keys and all of that in here. You can select the encryption type, which is the Microsoft managed keys, or if you want to bring your own keys, that's also available. And then the pricing tier, if you want to change that as well from free to standard. If you want to need more, you can go to a C3 or 4 or D3 as well. On the networking, I know when we set it up, we select all networks. We can just disable it and save. On the identity, same thing. We're using system assigned on user assigned here. Can change that. This is the cost analysis, properties, and security. This is if you want to include the Defender for Cloud in here. But under the overview, if we select on monitoring, we'll see a bunch of charts that we can take advantage of, like the total calls, latency, block calls, and all of that. Characters trained, translated as well. Once you start using it, you're gonna find these charts very helpful and useful.